Ever wondered about the journey from a client's idea to a live online store? Who are the architects of this transformation and what sets them apart in the realm of web development? What does it take to bring your e-commerce vision to life? And who can help you navigate the complexities of the BigCommerce platform to achieve your goals? Join us today as we unravel the mystery behind BigCommerce developers, the creative minds shaping the future of online retail. Let's start the video by understanding who are freelance BigCommerce developers. BigCommerce developers are skilled professionals who specialize in designing, developing, and optimizing e-commerce websites on the BigCommerce platform. They possess expertise in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other programming languages, as well as a deep understanding of BigCommerce feature and functionalities. These developers work closely with clients to understand their business objectives and translate them into custom solutions that drive growth and success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. From crafting visually stunning designs to implementing advanced functionality and ensuring a seamless user experiences, BigCommerce developers play a very crucial role in bringing brands to life in the digital sphere. They are not just coders but also problem solvers, strategists, and innovators, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the online retail. So what exactly can BigCommerce developers do to help businesses thrive in this digital age? Firstly, they design and develop custom BigCommerce themes and templates tailored to the unique needs and branding of each client. Next, they optimize website performance and user experience, ensuring fast loading times, intuitive navigation, and seamless checkout processes. Additionally, BigCommerce developers integrate third-party tools and APIs to advanced functionality such as payment gateways, shipping calculators, and marketing automation tools. They also provide ongoing support and maintenance, monitoring websites' performance, implementing updates, and troubleshooting issues to ensure smooth operations. BigCommerce developers are the architects of the digital marketplace, leveraging their technical expertise and creative vision to create online stores that engage, inspire, and convert visitors into customers. So, if you're ready to take your online store to the next level without blowing your budget, consider hiring a freelance BigCommerce developer and unlock the full potential of your e-commerce business. But what if you're a small business or startup looking for affordable yet skilled BigCommerce development services? This is where freelance BigCommerce developers come into play. Freelance BigCommerce developers are independent contractors who offer their expertise on a project-by-project basis. They bring the same level of skill and dedication as full-time developers but offer flexibility and cost effectiveness for businesses with limited budgets. Whether you need a custom theme, plugin development, or ongoing maintenance and support, freelance BigCommerce developers can provide tailored solutions to meet your needs without breaking the bank. So if you're ready to take your online store to the next level without blowing your budget, consider hiring a freelance BigCommerce developer and unlock the full potential of your e-commerce business. Now, you might be wondering, how can Softtrix help you with freelance BigCommerce developers? Well, Softtrix offers a team of highly skilled freelance BigCommerce developers who are ready to take on your project with expertise and dedication. Whether you need assistance with theme customization, plugin development, or ongoing maintenance, our developers have the knowledge and experience to deliver results that exceed your expectations. With a focus on collaboration, communication, and customer satisfaction, Softtrix freelance BigCommerce developers work closely with you every step of the way, ensuring that your project is completed on time and within the budget. And when it comes to cost, Softtrix offers competitive pricing for freelance BigCommerce development services, ensuring that you get high quality solutions at an affordable price. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, we have flexible pricing plans to accommodate your budget and project requirements. Ready to elevate your online store with the help of experienced freelance BigCommerce developers? If yes, contact Softtrix today and let us help you achieve your e-commerce goals. That is all for today. If you found this session helpful, please like, share, comment, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.